Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to evaluate this integral problem. Okay, so let's take t is e to the x, so dt is ex dx, right? So I am going to plug it here. I am going to write ex with dx. So this is what? This is dt. So integral dt tan inverse ex, it is tan inverse t over e to the power 2x, right? I can write this as e to the x power 2 plus 1, it is t square plus 1. I can write this as tan inverse t times 1 over t square plus 1 dt. This is like this, right? Let's say fx to the power n times f dash x. This is equals to what? This equals to fx to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, right? This is a theorem, so I'm going to use that here. Differentiation of tan inverse t is 1 over t square plus t, right? So by this theorem I can write this tan inverse t, here fx is tan inverse t, n is 1, right, to the power 1. So I am going to write this as 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. The answer is this plus c. This is tan inverse t to the power 2 over 2 plus c. Now I am going to take the answer back to the x world, right? So t is e to the power x, so the answer is tan inverse e to the x power 2 over 2 plus c. Here c is a real constant. So this is the answer. So I hope you guys understood what I did here. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.